this is garam masala. It's just like the tandoori spice. It's just like the, so it has coriander seeds, cumin seeds, ginger, fennel, black peppercorns, caraway seeds, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. So this is also a spice I use. I use a lot of spice. Then this is cinnamon itself. I think I have the stick too. Ground cinnamon is also a type of spice. Then this is black pepper grinder. This is sea salt. So just practically grind it, and then it's also a spice. This is sea salt, and this is nutmeg. Nutmeg. Let me show you. It's not bitter cola. So where you see it is, I say, "Mommy, is this bitter cola?" So this is nutmeg, and this is curry powder. This one is quite common. It's a regular spice in meals. That's curry powder. There's the leaf too. There's curry leaf. And the ginger I showed you the other time, this is the grounded one. I have the grounded one, I have the French one. Sometimes I just prefer to pound or grind or grate the fresh one, but this is the powdered one. White pepper, black pepper. There are also spices used in cooking. Then let me show you this. See, the name is already there. Bay leaves. You can use it in soup, stews, but it's commonly used in jollof rice. But you can use it in stews. You can blend it in with your pepper. It has special aroma, and it makes meals very tasty. Ginseng thyme is also very common. Coriander leaves. It's one of the spices I use. Let me show you some baking ingredients, because we are going to bake. So this is plain flour. Plain flour. This is baking powder, yeast. I also have baking soda. This is baking powder. This is yeast. Most ingredients, their names are always on the label on the pack. So I'm just showing you so you know this ingredient exists. And this is icing sugar. This is icing sugar. This is corn flour. We're going to cook a lot of meals with this. Yeah, it's very simple and quick meal. Okay, so that's all we've got to show today. On this episode. So until the next episode.